Hi guys, it's me. If you're searching for a projector that's built for serious professional use, the NEC NP-PA1505UL-B is the kind of hardware that immediately sets itself apart. This is not a casual home projector, and it's not meant for small meeting rooms. This is a high-brightness, laser-powered installation projector designed for large-scale environments where performance, reliability, and clarity are absolutely critical. The first thing that defines this projector is its 15,000 lumen brightness output. That level of brightness completely changes how projection works in real-world spaces. You can run this projector in large auditoriums, conference centers, exhibition halls, or worship spaces without needing to turn the lights down. Presentations remain readable, visuals stay bold, and video content keeps its impact even in bright environments. Large screen sizes are no problem here, and the image holds its strength edge to edge. Laser projection is a major advantage on this model. Instead of traditional lamps, the laser light source delivers long-lasting performance with consistent brightness over time. That means fewer interruptions, no regular lamp replacements, and much lower maintenance costs in the long run. For organizations that rely on daily operation, this kind of reliability is a huge benefit. The projector supports 4K input, allowing it to work seamlessly with modern high-resolution sources. Even when displaying lower-resolution material, NEC's image processing ensures sharp detail, clean text, and smooth motion. Spreadsheets, diagrams, and fine graphics look precise, while video playback feels natural and professional on massive screens. Color accuracy is another strong point. NEC's color technology keeps visuals balanced and consistent, which is especially important for branding, educational content, and professional media. Colors remain stable even at high brightness levels, and uniformity across the screen helps maintain a polished, high-quality appearance in every presentation. Installation flexibility is where this projector truly shines in professional environments. It supports a wide selection of interchangeable lenses, making it adaptable to different room layouts and throw distances. Motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus allow precise alignment during setup and make future adjustments easy without physically moving the unit. Whether ceiling-mounted or used in a complex installation, this projector is built to adapt. Designed for continuous operation, this model is capable of running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That makes it ideal for control rooms, digital exhibitions, and public venues that require non-stop performance. The internal cooling system is engineered to handle extended workloads while maintaining stability and image quality. Connectivity and system integration are also handled at a professional level. The projector fits smoothly into advanced AV and network-controlled environments, allowing remote monitoring and centralized management. For IT and AV teams, this means easier deployment, faster troubleshooting, and long-term control across large installations. Despite its high brightness and power, operational noise is well managed. The projector remains quiet enough for professional settings where focus and clarity are essential. This balance between output and comfort reflects the thoughtful engineering behind the design. Overall, the NEC NP-PA1505UL-B is built for organizations that prioritize long-term value over short-term savings. It delivers exceptional brightness, dependable laser performance, and professional-grade image quality for demanding environments. If your goal is a projector that performs consistently, handles modern input standards, and thrives in large venues, this model is absolutely worth considering. To check the latest price or availability, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.